Hi, my name is Isabella. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blended smoothie. You can use any kind of fruit that you'd like, such as strawberries, blueberries, bananas, or any fruit that you love. Today we're going to be making an orange Julius containing orange juice concentrate. Let's get started. First, ask Mom or Dad to get the blender all set up for you, and then we can add our ingredients. First, add 6 ounces of orange juice concentrate. Next, add 1 cup of milk. After that, 1 cup of water. Then 1/4 or 1/4 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And last but not least, our 8 ice cubes. Now, we have to put on the top tightly because otherwise you're going to end up with a huge mess when you're done. Now my blender has a smoothie button on it, so I'm going to press that. Now I'm going to take my cap off, get my glass, and pour it in. Now, enjoy! Delicious.